This is amazing season. There's just deers everywhere. Shaking a little too much. Oh, nice buck. Buck down, baby. Buck down. I'm so thankful. First buck. Oh, there's just buck running everywhere. It's straight up rut right now. About to get down. This is probably one of my best hunt ever. Just saw a nice doe, buck coming through here. There's just deers everywhere. Over 10 at least. I'm so freaking thankful. First off, I want to thank my wife for allowing me to enjoy the sport that I do. I finally got my first buck. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Dad. It's so cold. First 30-minute sunrise, there was deer all around me. Oh my gosh. Got me a 7-pointer. Oh, 8-pointer. Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh, shot him in the neck, of course. He didn't die from the first shot, which is through the front there. Oh Lord, thank you so much. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. Well, I was prepared to do an all-nighter. Had my sleeping bag with me. I was super warm, but shaking like a leaf. Look what I had to climb up. Steep. This is why you carry a tarp. Easy. Oh, that ends my firearm season. Got a decent size 8-pointer, my first buck. Oh, I'm so thankful. Thanks for watching.